So, quick little trade recap from today. We didn't took any trades and quitted the session early. I will come to that later. Coming into the session, we had a pretty clear bullish bias due to the daily stacked up draws to the upside, which were pretty reachable. We are in this extreme strong uptrend since the beginning of April on the Nasdaq and on the S&P 500. And yeah, in addition to that, that's probably because of the news, we filled the fair value gap and we're just pushing higher. And maybe, I think we're gonna consolidate around here. I don't think we're gonna get a full displacement. But that's another thing. So for today, everything was screaming bullish to me. But coming into this session, I was already a little bit tired, a little bit fatigued, not in the best mental state. I decided to trade because at the beginning it was okay. I had a lot of shit going on today. Woke up pretty early, didn't get a lot of sleep, and yeah, looks like price gonna hit the last target where I expected the daily to go to real soon. So the bias was perfect, but as I said, the trader today, me, I wasn't perfect today, and that's why like 20 minutes into the session I did a quick review of my mental state, and I saw, even though I stood up, walked around, drank some, it didn't get better. I was my heart was beating, I was a little bit sweating, I had headache, I was fatigued, and I just decided in this mental state I'm not going to trade because I had this I know this state, and usually when I'm in this state trading, this doesn't lead to good decisions. So I decided to just quit the session before I do anything dumb. Capital preservation is always the goal. And yeah, so for me, even though this was a no trade day and I quitted the session pretty early, it was still in my eyes a disciplined win, because if you look at the whole journey, everything, the whole way, those are the crucial moments, because I could have also took a dumb trade, lost a lot of money just because I couldn't focus, and I just know that when I'm in this state, I will be chasing trades. I'm not the best trader I can be, and that is always the goal. That's why I always do a pre-market mental check-in. Look, how's my state? I also did a pre-market nap today to be in a calm state, but it didn't fully help today. So hopefully going into the charts tomorrow again, because yesterday I wasn't able to. I will definitely put my focus on getting more sleep, not too much cognitive overload before the session, so we can be in a reliable and calm, focused state when going onto the charts. Because when we're on this state, I'm only trading when I'm in this state, because like 90% of trading is the state, like, you know what I'm saying. So that wraps it up for today. Were there any good setups today, like technical setups? I mean, this right here is pretty much bullshit, even though we got the bullish S&T and the clear bullish bias. Like probably or something right here, bullish S&T. Yeah, maybe trade of here or something, or here, maybe here, something like that. Yeah. Yeah, but there are no real clear targets, and this one was pretty high. Maybe like I could have based the targets on the draws here on ES. Yeah, but that's all hypothetical. I was not I I was not tradable today, and so I took a discipline win today. Didn't lost any money, and yeah, that's it.